In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x8024001e. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So the first step that you need to do is you need to proceed to the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and that way you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for services.msc and click on the OK button to continue. Now from here, please type for find for Microsoft Store install service. Select any of the service here, type M in your keyboard, and find for Microsoft Store install service. Make a right click and then click on properties. Set the startup type into automatic. Start the service to ensure it is running. Click on apply and then click on OK. Close the window. Restart your computer and check if the error has been fixed. However, if the error still persists, press Windows key and R key again, and this time you need to type for wsreset.exe. Click on the OK button. This will help you to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been resolved, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.